Out these muscles. Continue to come back to the breath. Now we're going to pull the shoulders back and lean into your shoulders. Work the shoulders together and down your back. Press that chest forward and drawing the rib cage away from the hips. And then from there, keeping that chin up, breathing in, breathing out. This is a really nice stretch for the front of your body, so your chest muscles as well as the front of your shoulders. Continue to work into the breath. Like I said, slow, deep belly breaths is key to really relax your body and relax your nervous system, reduce tension out of the muscles. Breathing in, slow and deep into that lower belly. Pull those shoulders back and down. And now looking up towards the sky for a more intense stretch here. Breathing in, breathing out. This is great for also stretching out your neck and bringing that neck back into its natural alignment. Keep coming back into those slow, deep belly breaths. Just continue breathing in and out to really feel the shoulder blades squeezing together and down your back. Feeling into your body here, breathing in and out. This is also a great stretch for all your whole abdominal wall.